My name is Michael Vitez. I work as a equipment maintenance technician at Polar Semiconductor in Bloomington, Minnesota.
I'd make sure the connector's on good and the gas purges are set up correctly.
I started off as a T1 technician. I'm a T5 technician. I grew into the lead role. If I wanted to pursue it, I could take another 2 years of schooling and get my bachelor's degree. Then I could go into equipment engineering or process engineering. There's a lot of opportunity to grow financially in this role. That comes with experience and with time. I've been here for 25 years, so yes, I do enjoy my job. I like the problem-solving aspect. That's very rewarding, knowing that you took something that wasn't working to working.